We got the ship right in back of us here, as you can see. And we're doing a little zodiac ride around, and we get some good shots of the ship here. So, M1 Man Travel, looking for subscribers out on the Zodiac here for you this morning here. Get in on the ship. All right, see you later, my friends. Bye-bye. Right here, the boat's in back of me here. So we're back on the Zodiac. We're still taking pictures of the boat here. I hope you can see it well. I don't have the front screen turned on. Okay, we're coming back to the ship here. There's another Zodiac that's either offloading or onloading. But there she is. She got all the sails up there. Yeah, nice day today. Almost back in another day of sailing to get up to Miami. The waters are calm here. And yeah, we're in the Zodiac with some other folks. And we're just about to come back on board here and relax for the rest of the day. Yeah, looking good. Look at those sails up there. We got the sun on the other side. And yeah, there's the ship. Yeah, coming in here. Alright. There it is. Now we get a little shade here. You can see the sails a little bit better. And coming in here.